Your mind is like a mental factory, and you are the factory worker, the manager, the boss. Every single day, thoughts come to your mental doorstep. Ideas, suggestions, opinions, doubts, dreams. And whether you realize it or not, you decide what gets processed and what gets rejected. You see, your factory is always working. If you input junk, fear, doubt, worry, complaints, you'll manufacture confusion, anxiety, excuses, and failure. But if you feed it ideas of discipline, thoughts of courage, vision, ambition, you'll produce success, strength, and clarity. Be careful what you think about. Be mindful of what you allow in, because what you allow multiplies. Garbage in, garbage out. Greatness in, greatness out. Feed your mental factory with reading, with reflection, with discipline, with truth. Build the kind of thoughts that will build the kind of life you want. You are the gatekeeper of your mind. Protect it, train it, feed it well. Because as Jim Rohn said, the mind is like a factory, and whatever you feed it, it will produce.